Is the Virgin Money Credit Card app actually a lifesaver, or just another cluttered banking app taking up space on your phone? Now, we are going to be reviewing the app and looking at how you can use it for every single purchase and the specific features that I like, but we'll also be looking at the glitches you'd experience on the app. Hi friends, welcome to Jeenager Finance. If you are new here, do stick around for finance videos such as this. Let's get into this video. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you are considering a Virgin Money credit card, you are probably thinking about the rewards, the interest rate, or maybe even the sweet Virgin points. However, let's be real, okay? If the app is not good, managing your money becomes a headache. All right. So for the past month, I have put the Virgin Money credit card app through its paces to give you the honest truth. Now, first of all, let's talk about what genuinely impressed me. The spending insights and budgeting tool within the app is surprisingly robust. Now, unlike other banking apps that will just show you categories, Virgin Money goes a step further, okay, and they show you and give you a deep dive into exactly where your money is going with really very specific categories. It's not just shopping, it breaks it down into things like your clothing, online subscriptions, and groceries. Another thing that is really very beautiful about this app is that you have the ability to you can set and track your budget inside the app for different categories. You understand? So like for instance, you could do like dedicated budgeting apps like Monzo for this specific card because it is all in one place. Now Chase offers something similar, but Virgin's interface feels more intuitive, okay. Now another standout feature that they are beyond the fact that that feature is really amazing. There are other things about the app that it really does well. For instance, the transaction history is clear and updates almost instantly. No more waiting days for purchases to show up, which is crucial for staying on top of your finances. Also, if you want to manage direct debit, standing orders, that's if it's applicable for you, or just basically setting up alerts, so you can set up payment reminders, and managing your direct debits on the app is really straightforward. You would appreciate the push notification for upcoming payments. Okay, it's just a nice little nudge that stops you from missing a payment. Of course, all the essential security features are there. You can unfreeze your card or freeze your card in case it got stolen. You could report it if it is stolen. Now that's exactly what you expect from a banking app and their app. Now here's what you may not like about the app, okay. So for instance, while the budgeting is great, accessing your actual rewards and offer sections can sometimes be a bit clunky. So you find certain offers do not load correctly, or the navigations to find like specific Virgin Red partners is buried several layers deep. It almost feels like an afterthought compared to smooth spending insights. Some people have noticed that on several occasions when trying to activate certain Virgin Red offers directly through the app, they will get an error message forcing them to log into the desktop site, and it's not really consistent, so it can be very frustrating. While that's not a really huge issue for a lot of people, if you are someone who relies heavily on maximizing your rewards within the app, then you may have a slightly not a very good experience in that area. Now, let me know if you use the Virgin app or the Virgin Money credit card app, what your overall verdict is. Okay, but I'll just say that the spending insights absolutely best in the class for a credit card app that makes it very easy to track and budget your finances. The core functions, they are smooth and reliable. However, the slightly less polished reward section is a minor drawback that the Virgin Money could definitely improve on. Anyway, if you are thinking about getting a Virgin Money credit app, or you already have one, like I said earlier, I would like to know your experience with the app in the comments below. Did you find the budgeting useful? Have you encountered the same glitch with the rewards? Okay, if you found this review helpful, please hit the like button. Okay, subscribe for more honest reviews, and check out my other videos on credit cards and personal finance right here. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.